Okay, right now it's 1:51. We are going to Sandal Island. Here you have a helipad. Let's check it out. Check it out. Definitely, when you come over here, bring some water and food. Seriously, you need it. It's like a view deck. Looks beautiful also. Wow, you can go roam around also. Plenty of place to sit down, but there is no shadow. Your comfort room. I love it. Wow, there's a water source. Let's check out the helipad. Beautiful helipad. That's nice. Beautiful place. How about we take a drone shot? Alright, right now it's 2:30. I'm going to have some my lunch over there. If you like this video, please like and comment below. And subscribe to my YouTube channel would be awesome. Thank you. We are going down for the resting area. Wow. It's very well planned. You can see everywhere sightseeing and the ocean. Good place for very good place for resting.
Yeah. Very nice place. Beautiful place.
Lunchtime, we have fried chicken, vegetable, rice, boko water, and boko and water. Really, you cannot get better view than this. I'm having lunch over here. This is a trash claim receipt. If you bring back your trash, you can reclaim the 200 pesos. So that is my trash. I will reclaim my 200 pesos later. This is the beautiful family I meet over here. Say hi. Hi. Hello. Hello. Yeah. Everyone is very friendly over here. Hello.
Yeah.
I'm good.
I'm from Canada.
Canada.
So are you gonna? They're looking forward to see the, vlog.
Sure.
That's all.
I will post in that. You have that thingy. You can check it out over there. It will come.
Sounds good.
No worries.
Okay, have a fun.
Sure. Alright, right now it's 3 o'clock. We are in Governor Island. This is the only place available for zipline. 500 meter for 500 pesos. We have a sari store. Hello, Paul. Can we do zipline?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So this is the place. You have a gear over here. Fantastic.
Yes.
So this is the receipt.
Yes.
500 pesos. So there's a rules and regulation. Below 4, you cannot ride. Below 18, you need a parent's consent to ride it. So there's a couple of rules and regulations over there. This is a little bit hike because we are zipline to Governor Island to Virgin Island. Wow, it's quite hike, almost like 60 meter up. I can see the view deck. Look. Wow, look at that. I think this one a little bit higher than the Pilgrim Mountain. He also saying the same thing because when I was standing there and see that is the highest one, but it is not. When I come to the zipline, this Governor Island, this is the highest point over here. Either way, they put the highest point, zipline is good. So it is going to Virgin Island over there. So this is how it looks like. This is the highest point. Yeah, you can see the view. Highest point. Beautiful. I came this far. If I don't do the zip line, that is going to be total waste. I took a right decision. Look at that. It's going to be one huge down, straight down. One straight down, then slow up. Either way, it's going to be fine. It's going to be fine. That is the second lock. Ooh,
Okay, hold this one, sir.
Okay.
Your camera this side only.
like this.
Do not put here. I mean, then lay down on the
Okay.
Down. Legs up. Just straight your legs. Straight. To the camera, sir.
Ah. Hello. Beautiful. Wow. Nice. Look at that. Okay,
Okay.
that's good.
Ay.
Sorry. Thank you.
Are you enjoying, sir?
Ah, fantastic. Very
Okay.
good.
This
Sorry.
is your first time?
This is my first time over here. So from here, you need to walk down, wait for the boat. The boat is coming over there. It will take you back to the Governor Island. So we will wait for the boat here. Wow, the water is beautiful. Where we do the cave jump?
In Marcos Island.
Marcos Island. Okay, we go Marcos Island later. Ah, that's a boat. Okay. I highly recommend for this zip line because the zip line is very fast and high also. Totally it take almost like a 30 minutes to do all the things and come back to the same place. So it is very quick. If you like this video so far, please like and comment below. And subscribe to my YouTube channel would be awesome. I'll see you guys in the next video soon. Thank you.